Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to enable the professional mode in camera on the Motorola Edge 30 Neo. So first of all, slide up, go to the camera option, and on the downside we have a few options to choose, and there is a Pro. So the Pro is for the all option that we have on the of our camera. So all lens is on the Pro version, and as you see in Pro option we have some focus option. Yep, we have a white balance, we have other option to the light, some ISO, and some other option to the light. Yep, so you can manage all the option here. You can make same things on the white lens. And on the macro, of course, we have some Pro option to do this. So that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!